Hazrat Shahjalal International Airport pedestrian underpass, latest developments, and its transformative impact on the connectivity system. Introduction and project background. 1 of the busiest and most important roadways in Dhaka city is the frontage of Hazrat Shahjalal International Airport. It is not only a gateway for air passengers, but also a major hub connecting rail, bus, and the proposed metro rail station. The area handles around 14,777 passengers and pedestrians every hour. However, there is currently only 1 foot-over bridge for road crossing, which is completely inadequate for the movement of this large number of people. Due to this inadequacy, people often cross the road at their own risk, resulting in severe traffic congestion and road accidents. In order to address this crisis, Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina directed the construction of an integrated underpass in 2018. The project plan was accepted by the Road Transport and Highways Department in 2019. In this context, the existing complexities and detailed analysis are essential. An important point needs to be clarified here. The research data provided mentions multiple underpass projects, which can be confusing in some cases. For example, a spectacular underpass adjacent to Shahid Ramiz Ud Cantonment School and College on Hazrat Shahjalal International Airport Road was inaugurated by the Prime Minister on January 12, 2022. This is a different project, which is only 135 meters long, and its construction cost was 57.4 crore takas. In contrast, the current report discusses a completely new and larger pedestrian underpass, which is 1,070 meters long and has a total cost of 1,183.82 crore takas. Identifying these 2 different projects separately ensures clarity of the overall concept. The project in question will connect the Hajj Camp Airport Railway Station, BRT, station and the airport terminals over the Dhaka-Mymensingh Highway. Latest status of the project and implementation progress. The Hazrat Shahjalal International Airport Pedestrian Underpass project is currently in the implementation stage. The most recent and important development of the project is its administrative approval. The Executive Committee of the National Economic Council, ESET, gave its final approval to the project on June 20, 2023. This approval paves the way for the implementation of this huge project worth 1,183.82 crore takas, which will be fully government funded. Implementation period of the project has been set between July 2023 and June 2025. The Department of Roads and Highways DRRH is the main responsibility for the implementation of the project. However, to ensure the quality and timeliness of such a complex and sensitive infrastructure project, the 24th Engineer Construction Brigade of the Bangladesh Army is providing technical assistance as the executing agency. This involvement of the Army is considered a reflection of the government's commitment to prioritize the project and ensure quality. Implementation. The progress of the construction work is visible. According to various sources, the work of the project is progressing rapidly. However, along with this, some potential challenges have also been discussed. According to Wikipedia, the project was asked for TK 500 crore for the fiscal year 2023 to 2024, but the funds are not immediately available. Experts believe that this uncertainty in funding could delay the completion of the construction work. This highlights a contrast between visible progress and financial uncertainty, which indicates the importance of realistic assessment of the project and risk management. The implementation of the project has temporarily caused some hardship for the public. Recently, the authorities closed the road from the Hajj Camp to the airport railway line for 4 months, 120 days. Due to the closure of this road, vehicles and pedestrians have been requested to use the Kala Road as an alternative. Local residents and rail passengers are facing this temporary problem, especially those who come by train from stations outside the airport. They have to use the overbridge with their goods to exit through the main gate, which has created a difficult situation. However, the statements of the local people indicate that they have accepted this temporary hardship in the hope of getting improved road facilities and uninterrupted communication. This public awareness portrays a positive social picture. indicating that the people are aware of the long-term benefits of large-scale infrastructural development and are ready to accept temporary hardships for it, technical features, and modern amenities. Pedestrian underpass of Hazrat Shahjaal International Airport is being built as a very modern and well-planned infrastructure. It is not just an underground tunnel, but an integrated system, which will ensure maximum convenience for the users. According to the project design, the underpass will be 1,070 meters long. Its width will be 9 meters in some parts and 12 meters in some parts. And its height will be from 6.1 meters to 7.6 meters. Asterisk. This underpass has been equipped with modern technology and amenities, which will make it unique compared to other underpasses in Bangladesh. Notable among them are Traveler. It will have 25 travelators or moving walkways for the convenience of passengers. Escalator. There will be 28 escalators for easy ascent and descent. Escalators. There will be 28 escalators for easy access. Elevators. 8 elevators will be installed for people with special needs. The elderly and passengers carrying heavy luggage. Air conditioning system. It will be 100% air conditioned, which will ensure a comfortable environment for passengers. Safety system. The underpass will have an HVAC system for natural light and air emission, a compartment for luggage, transportation, and a modern fire extinguishing system. A special aesthetic feature of the project is that the history and culture of Bangladesh will be highlighted inside it. The walls of the underpass will highlight the language movement, the Liberation War, the life and work of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, and the culture of Bangladesh. It is not only a functional infrastructure, but also considered an aesthetic and cultural center. It will be helpful in highlighting the image of the country in the international arena. Multimodal hub connection. The proposed underpass will serve as a multimodal hub. Its main function is to bring various important places and transportation hubs under a single and well-organized system. The underpass will have a total of 9 entry and exit points. These entry points will directly connect to the following important places: Haj Campash Kinnaird Railway Station, Metro Rail, MRT Station Bus, Rapid Transit, BRT Station Airport Terminals 1, 2 and 3 Airport North Gate, Airport South Gate. This integrated connection system will ensure that any passenger from the Hajj camp can reach the airport terminal directly using the underpass. Similarly, it will be possible to go directly to the Metro Rail station from the airport terminal. It will create an unprecedented opportunity for passengers and pedestrians, making the experience of using various modes of transport easier and smoother. Its transformative impact on communication. This underpass project is not just a pedestrian crossing system, but will bring about a fundamental change in the overall communication infrastructure of Dhaka. Its impact is multifaceted and far-reaching, which is not limited to reducing traffic congestion or increasing safety. Asterisk role as a multimodal hub. Greatest strategic importance of the project is that it will turn Hazrat Shahjaal International Airport into a true multimodal hub or multi-purpose transport center. Currently, the connectivity between air, rail, and road for passengers and pedestrians in this area is disjointed and unorganized. But this underpass will bring the 3 terminals of the airport: the airport railway station, the BRT station, and the Metro Rail station under a single integrated system. As a result, passengers and pedestrians will be able to travel from one place to another easily and safely. Chief Engineer of the Roads and Highways, Department MD, according to Ishak. This underpass will be considered a multimodal hub in the future. This concept provides an important analytical basis. It is a single infrastructure that physically connects various important transport systems in the city, which will increase its efficiency manifold. For example, train passenger can get off at the airport station and enter the airport terminal directly using the underpass, without crossing any road. Similarly, Hajj pilgrims can reach the airport from the Hajj camp without any problems. This integrated system will add a new dimension to communication and make the transport system more dynamic. Pedestrian safety and traffic congestion reduction. The Construction of this underpass will serve as an effective solution to the traffic congestion and pedestrian safety problems on one of the busiest roads in Dhaka, the Dhaka-Mymensingh Highway. Its main causal relationship is the use of the underpass will prevent a large number of pedestrians from crossing the road at risk. As a direct result, pedestrian-related traffic congestion on the road will be significantly reduced. This will not only reduce travel time, but also reduce the rate of road accidents, which is currently a major concern in the area. ***. The safe and uninterrupted road system created through this project will also have a positive impact on the society. It will help reduce financial losses due to accidents and improve the quality of life. Especially the elderly, women, children, and people with special needs will be able to move without any problems due to the modern facilities of this underpass, such as travelators, escalators, and lifts. Overall, it will boost economic activities and make city life easier. Challenges in future, while the Hazrat Shahjalal International Airport pedestrian underpass project is a landmark infrastructure for the country, there are some challenges in its implementation. One of the major challenges is the possible delay in financial resources. Although the project has been approved by NET with full government funding, experts feel that the requested allocation for the fiscal year 2023 to 24 will not be available immediately. If this financial resource is not provided on time, the project implementation period, which is scheduled to end in June 2025, may be disrupted. In addition, coordination between different agencies is crucial for the success of the project, since this underpass is directly linked to the airport, BRT, MRT, and railway authorities. It is essential to ensure seamless coordination between these organizations at every stage of construction and subsequent operation. If this coordination is ensured, the project will provide a sustainable and long-term solution. Overall, this underpass project is not just a pedestrian crossing system, but an example of a modern multimodal transportation system. It can serve as a model for other complex urban infrastructure projects in the country in the future, where different modes of transportation will be brought under an integrated and well-organized system. It is expected to open a new horizon in the development of Bangladesh's communication system. Appendix Table 1. Summary of key project information features. Source: project name Hazrat Shahjalal International Airport. Pedestrian underpass, implementing agency, Department of Roads and Highways Head 24, Engineered Construction Brigade of Bangladesh. Army Executor, date of approval, the 20th of June, 2023. Total cost, 1,183.82 crore. Taka length, 1,070 meters, width 9 to 12 meters. Height, 6.1 to 7.6 meters. Time frame: July 2023, June 2025. Modern facilities: 25 travelers, Arshaba escalators, Ba elevators, air conditioning. Firefighting system, Table 2, entry and exit routes and connections and tree exit routes. Connected places and transportation system, Source 1. Hajj Camp, -2, Ashkhana -3, Airport Railway, BRT Station -4, Matro, Rail MRT, Station -5, Airport Terminal 1-6, Airport Terminal 27, Airport Terminal 3-8, Airport North Gate -9, Airport South Gate,